do for our body is to keep it healthy and clean. This means paying special attention to our liver, the body's natural filtration system. The liver works hard to cleanse our system by breaking down harmful substances such as processed foods, alcohol, tobacco, and even medications. However, over time, the liver can become overwhelmed with toxins, leading to a buildup that can affect its efficiency. Think of it like buildup in a car engine or clogged drains in a house. When left unchecked, things stop working as they should. Many people use simple, natural remedies to support liver function, such as drinking water, lemon, and apple cider vinegar. Some prefer each ingredient separately, while others combine them with herbs or spices for added benefits. Regardless of how you take it, focusing on liver health is key to overall well-being. Lemons contain vitamin C, flavonoids, carotenoids, and other beneficial compounds that help protect the liver from oxidative damage. They also support bile production, which aids in breaking down fats and improving digestion. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother is another powerful tool for liver health. It acts as a natural cleanser by helping the liver process and eliminate toxins. Apple cider vinegar also plays a role in balancing pH levels, which supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Additionally, it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding nutrient absorption and promoting gut health. To put things in perspective, imagine not changing the oil in your car. Over time, sludge builds up, affecting performance. The same goes for our bodies. Without proper care, processed foods, excessive sugars, and unhealthy habits can lead to sluggish liver function, impacting our overall health. One of the simplest yet most effective habits we can adopt is staying hydrated. Drinking enough water helps cleanse our system, as every cell, tissue, and organ relies on proper hydration to function optimally. Adding lemon to water enhances its benefits, thanks to its citric acid content, which supports the lymphatic system and digestion. It can also help with regularity, reducing bloating and discomfort. Apple cider vinegar, when taken in its organic, unfiltered form with the mother, introduces beneficial bacteria that support gut health. It also helps balance glucose levels, promoting better insulin sensitivity and reducing cravings. So what should be the first step in the morning? Hydration is key. A great way to start the day is by preparing a simple detox drink. Take a full glass of water, squeeze half a lemon into it, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir well and drink it with a straw to protect your teeth. Consuming this drink before breakfast, ideally 10 minutes prior, helps prepare digestion, provides satiety, and supports healthy glucose levels. The goal isn't just to address symptoms, but to support overall wellness. Many people have reported improved digestion, clearer skin, and increased energy by incorporating these simple habits into their daily routines. By helping the liver function efficiently, we allow the body's metabolic processes to work smoothly. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with friends and family. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and most importantly, take charge of your health today.